In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add toast notifications in Base44. Toast notifications are those small temporary messages that slide in on your screen to let users know something has happened, like a form being submitted or data being saved. They're really useful because they give clear feedback without interrupting the user's flow or requiring them to close a pop-up. In this example, we're going to set up a toast notification that appears when a user clicks a button. The message will say user created successfully, and it will use the success type, which usually appears in a green or positive style. You can adapt this later for other actions, like errors or warnings, but we'll start with this simple success case. First, open your project in Base44 and go to the screen or board where your button is located. Make sure you are in the editor view so you can adjust the button's behavior. Click on the button you want to use to trigger the toast. When the button is selected, you should see its properties and interaction settings on the side panel. Look for the interaction or event section labeled something like onClick. This is where you define what happens when a user clicks the button. If there are already actions there, you can add a new one. If not, you'll be creating the first click action for this button. In the onClick configuration, choose the action that says Show Toast Message, or similar. This tells Base44 that when the button is clicked, it should display a toast notification instead of navigating somewhere else or doing nothing. Once you've selected Show Toast Message, you'll see options to define the content and style of your toast. For the message, type in User Created Successfully. This is the text that will appear in the small notification. Keep this short and clear so users can understand it at a glance. Next, set the type to Success. The success type usually uses visual cues like green colors or check icons to let the user know that everything went well. You can usually customize things like duration and placement later, but for now, just focus on making sure the toast shows up correctly when the button is clicked. After setting the message and type, save your changes. Then switch to preview or run mode in Base44 and click the button. You should see the toast notification appear, confirming that your setup worked correctly. And that's it. You've now added a toast notification in Base44 that appears on button click and shows a success message to your users.